Buenas tardes, besties. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Today we are going to be decluttering my bathroom. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough time to declutter my room, but I'll do that tomorrow if I do not have the time today. Declutter and clean and organize everything. So let's get to it. So first things first, we're going to get rid of some things in here. A lot of things in here that I do not use, and I want to get rid of those. Some things are in there that are expired, so we'll see what we'll get rid of. If you are thinking of decluttering your home as well, start in one area and then work your way out. That way you're not super overwhelmed. Whenever I'm decluttering, I get super overwhelmed whenever I just look at everything. So the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna take everything out of there.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be.
So this is what my countertop look like right now, but it's okay. We're just gonna clean this out real quick. We're gonna be using the Method spray to clean in there and a paper towel.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for
These products right here, I used to do Avon like years and years ago. I think it was in 2015 that I would do Avon, and I have so much of their products and I'm not sure if they expire or not. It doesn't really say, but I'm gonna throw them away because I don't think they work anymore. And I'm the type of person that would keep everything, and it is so hard to throw this away. Like, I always think to myself, like, I'm going to use these products, but I end up not using them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw them away, even though it hurts to throw them away. So I looked it up on Google, and it does say that it expires after a year of having them. So yeah, those products don't work. They are way overdue. So I got my big trash bag, and I'm just gonna throw all the Avon products that I have.
I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things
I had forgotten that I had gotten this one for my face, a cleanser. So I'm gonna keep that one out.
Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When you're
This right here, I'm gonna keep this one right here. I'm gonna throw this away because I don't think it works. I bought this for my postpartum, and I think these expired, if I remember correctly. Yeah, they expired. And all of these right here I do not use. It's been years since I bought these. Here, besties, I was just explaining that these two things I had bought them for my kids to use, and I just forgot that I had them. And all the rest of the products that I had in here were like shampoos and like bars of soap that we had gotten from hotels and stuff like that. So like I still had them, and I would just store them. I have no idea why I would store them, just simply because I thought I would, you know, use them at some point, but I never used them. So we'll see what we keep and what we don't keep.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me
In the beginning of this video, besties, I did not mention anything about moving into an RV, just simply because at that time we did not know if we were going to be moving into an RV or what we were going to do. We were just playing it safe and not say anything yet. But now that we are in an RV full time, we've been in an RV living, I would say, like 2 months now, and I would say that I am loving living in an RV. The only thing that I'm not loving about RV living is full time is the travel days. The travel days for me is super exhausting, and I don't know, it's just something else with like just traveling from location to location, especially whenever it's like super far. But other than that, I love whenever we like stay in one location and like just seeing the nature and like walk with my kids and just go to the park or at the RV park. But I'm still getting used to being in an RV and just this lifestyle in general. So I am really liking it a lot. The outdoors, the not cleaning so much is where it's at. This lifestyle I'm enjoying a lot. I'm not even sure if I would even want to go back to a big house in the future. As of right now, this season in life, I am loving the RV.
told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know.
After we moved out from a house to an RV, I went through something and had me on bed rest, and it is giving me the time to like edit my videos and just do like voiceovers while I'm in bed rest. I am so used to being out and about and just doing this, doing that with my kids, and just being on bed rest has me a little sad because I'm so just used to being like doing a lot around me, and just the editing and the voiceover, it just gives me something to do throughout my day because I don't want to be sad and I don't want to feel like I can't do anything. So like this right here just allows me to get something done in my day, just feel productive even though I'm in bed. But just know, besties, that if you are going through the same thing, you got this. I believe in you, and don't give up, just keep going. And I just wanted to share a Bible verse that I turn to for comfort whenever, you know, I'm feeling down, besties, is Isaiah 41:10. It says, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand."
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
And I just wanted to show you how much stuff I got rid of. Just the bathroom alone. Wow, that's just a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. I am so proud of myself because I'm a person that I can't get rid of anything. So I'm very, very proud of myself for doing this. I'm about to go to sleep, so I'm gonna be putting this on my face. And this on my body. And some body spray. Good night, besties. I just put the baby down for bed. Let's see what we can get done while she's napping. I had a ton of questions from my besties on Instagram, and the question was, and this was like over and over. So the question is, why the decision to live full-time in an RV? And there's a lot of people that are doing it, and they're just curious. So bestie, we decided on this new lifestyle because honestly we weren't really happy with living in a huge house. I felt like I was drowning with never-ending to-do list and cleaning, cooking, homeschooling, you know, all of the stay-at-home mom things. You know, I felt like I was never done with none of it, honestly. Living in a house is nice, but not the maintenance. Honestly, that's just basically it. I was mostly stressed out all the time, and I just felt like I couldn't breathe and I couldn't catch my breath with over and over laundry, cleaning. I felt like I couldn't catch up my breath, if that makes sense. And my husband's is a different point of view, so if you would like to hear that part, his point of view, let me know and I will have him, you know, come on here and do one of the voiceovers and just see his point of view.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we do.
Right here I'm just doing a little home reset, just cleaning a little bit so that we can get ready for the next day and just pack all the stuff that we need to take and what we are not going to take to the RV. So that's what I'm doing here, just really organizing and cleaning a little bit so that we can sell some things as well.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in.
This is me making the pancakes the next day. I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for being here, for supporting my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, besties.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?